Welcome to Books for Kids TV. Today, we share the amazing Bible creation story from Genesis 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was empty and dark, but God's Spirit moved gently over the waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and light appeared. God saw the light was good, and He separated it from the darkness. He called the light day, and the darkness night. Evening and morning marked the first day. Then God created the sky, dividing the waters above from the waters below. He called the great expanse above sky. Evening and morning passed the second day. God gathered the waters, so dry ground appeared. He called the ground land and the waters seas, and He saw it was good. God commanded the earth to sprout with plants, seeds, and trees. And the earth brought forth fruit trees and vegetation of every kind. Evening and morning passed the third day. God placed lights in the sky to separate day from night and to mark the seasons. The sun gave light to the earth by day, and the moon and stars shone by night. He made the great lights, the sun to rule the day, and the moon to rule the night. God set these lights in the sky to shine upon the earth. They governed day and night, dividing light from darkness. God saw it was good. Evening and morning passed the fourth day. Then God filled the seas with creatures, and the skies with birds. He made whales, fish, and every kind of bird, blessing them to multiply. God said, "Be fruitful, and fill the waters and the sky with life." Evening and morning passed the fifth day. God commanded the land to bring forth animals of every kind. He made wild animals, livestock, and creatures that crawl on the ground. Then God said, "Let us make human beings in our image, to rule over all living things." So God created man and woman in His own image. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful, multiply, and fill the earth." He provided every seed-bearing plant and tree for food, and He gave green plants as food for every creature that lives on the earth. God saw everything He had made, and it was very good. Evening and morning marked the sixth day. Thank you for watching the Bible creation story on Books for Kids TV. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share for more amazing stories.